Hello friends, this is Dr. Shruti from Advanced Knee and Shoulder Hospital, Ahmedabad, run by Dr. Prathamesh Jain. He is an arthroscopic surgeon, and also we have one more arthroscopic surgeon with us. He has come all the way from Dhaka, Bangladesh. He owns his private clinic there as well as he works for the government of Bangladesh also. And he has come here for advanced learning with Dr. Prathamesh Jain. So let's take a review of how did he feel here and what was his experience. So Dr. Jahangir, his name is Dr. Jahangir from Bangladesh. Dr. Jahangir, how did you feel here and what was your experience with Dr. Prathamesh Jain?
Yes, thank you. Yes, I am also an orthopedic surgeon working in Dhaka, Bangladesh in government as well as private hospital. I have come to Dr. Prathamesh Jain to learn the advanced arthroscopic surgery, what is he doing in your clinic in the hospital. And it is very pleasure to me. I have seen lot of cases he is doing, but which is limited to our country. I hope I see this procedure and I can implement this procedure to my patient, and from this procedure my patient in our country will get benefit from this treatment.
So how did you feel? How was your experience of learning?
Yes, it is excellent.
Excellent.
Because I see some new thing which do not perform in our country. And I will use this procedure which is learned from the Prathamesh Jain, and I use in this country to my patient, and from this they will get benefit.
So it's also an honor to work with Dr. Prathamesh Jain, but we are also honored right now to have you here, and we hope that Bangladeshis get more and more benefit from your learning from Dr. Prathamesh Jain, right?
Yes.
And we also have Bangladeshi patients here as well. A lot of patients, they come here from Bangladesh.
Yes, it is because patient is their freedom to get benefit, to get their treatment anywhere they wish. Because it is a human rights to get the benefit from anywhere from we get it to
So I think now the lot of Bangladeshi patients will be lesser because now you are going to go there and
no. The patient, it depends on to his treatment procedure and doctor's behavior and their facility supply. So it is all of patients get the treatment from anywhere of the world if they are capable.
That was just a joke. All right, thank you so much.